Okay, party people. Today it's gonna be a really quick video. Just wanna show you what's in my range bag. Tomorrow I'll be going to the range, and I have all my stuff. You know, all the stuff that I usually take. Wife is texting. Okay, all right. This is my range bag. Going to range tomorrow. Just want to show you guys real quick what I take to the range. Kind of got a quick overview, and hopefully that video gives you some idea for your own range bag. Hope you like it. If you like it, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, ring the doorbell, and without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay. Alright, so this is my range bag. This is from a company called Savior. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's called Savior. It's the company makes the bag. It's a pretty beefy bag, I like it. Put a lot of stuff in it. Okay, so I'll go from the outside in. Starting here. Straps, a lot of hooks, like on the hip, straps, shoulder straps, thorax, goes around your chest. So has a lot of straps. On this side, you have metal panel, MOLLE panel all over. Velcro area for your patch. Little packet front here. Another bigger packet here, and that's very much the Velcro MOLLE panel everywhere. Okay, starting from this side, I have my duty belt and the holster for the P320 X Legion. That's what I use. The duty belt is pretty light, don't have a bunch of stuff on it. That's how I like mine, and this is a work in progress, so don't judge. Still need to improve, but for now it works good. Okay, Medipack. Stuff like all the first aid essentials. Those are still in the plastic bag because I haven't used it yet. I have one in my everyday carry if that's not in the plastic bag, but that one is an emergency one, just in case I don't have the other one. So that, scissors, and all the gear you need, Q-tip, Band-Aid, alcohol, and all the good stuff. Okay, so that's for the first aid kit. Going on the other side, this is the same bag. This is what I use to level my long range rifle. I have it hooked up here with a carabiner on here. Kimber. This came with my Kimber 1911, Kimber Custom 2 1911. I have it here just in case I need extra locks. So on this side, again, more MOLLE panel. You can things here. I don't have it. I like it this way because I use this side frequently. So opening up, you have this big compartment with three case that you can put your handgun in. And I usually put my I put my handgun, the P365, and Legion, the 1911, and the Walther PDP. Those are the ones that I'm gonna take with me. So those will go here. What else do I have in here? Duct tape, spray paint for the target. You need spray paint to the target before and after you use them so they can be crispy and neat and visible. So that, and you also need to take care of your range because you're not the only one going there. Yeah. So that's what's going in this packet. Duct tape, usually use it to hang targets, paper targets if I run out of staples. Yeah. So that's for that packet. Going up front here. Okay, so off because mosquitoes, targets, more targets just in case. Staplers because use that to hang target. I have a bunch of markers, pens to write. On this side, I may not utilize this bag to its full potential, but that's how I use it, and it's a work in progress, and it's a living bag, so I constantly move stuff around, so nothing is set in stone. I have gloves here in this packet, lots of gloves, batteries for sights, shit for here, here, more batteries, paperwork, and paper towel to clean the guns, cleaning supplies for the guns here. We have more packets here. I have some tissue to clean the inside of the bore. Here, nothing. So the bag has a lot of packets, and once again, I'm not utilizing the bag to its full potential. This is how I use it, but this is a really great range bag in my opinion. So that's it for this packet. Let's look for the other one. So onto this packet, so the bag has 3 compartments on top. With that one, that will be 4 compartments, and 5 up front here. So here, the front packet is usually my cleaning supplies, and here this is where I put ear protection, eyes protection, and all that stuff. So I have goggles, always carry 2 just in case someone forgot theirs home. If I go in the morning, I have my sunglasses, so I don't wear those, but I still have them here just in case someone needs it. Ear protection, gloves, these are cheap mechanic gloves. I got them from Home Depot in the winter, pretty useful. Ear Pro, those are my Ear Pro of choice. They're Howard Light, Honeywell. I like those because when you have them on, you can turn the noise cancelling on and off and hear people what they're saying, and then you can plug the microphone here. That's the reason why I like it. It's pretty good. I wear those, combine those with this. I always double my Ear Pro because you never know. You have some 50 BMG in my range, and my hearing is precious to me, so I always double up. Moving on to the next compartment. Here, this is where I keep ammo. Keep ammo 45 for the 1911 308 for the long range. 9mm for the PDP and the P365, P320X5 agent. Tape just in case. Sometimes I work out, I do quick work, I do kind of like tactical game type of drill. So I have this tape to tape my fingers to have more grip. So I have that. Aplula, this is the best. When you spend all day on the range loading ammunition, that can mess up your fingers. So this Aplula thingy is a lifesaver. Love this thing. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this section. This is where I keep the ammo. So, and this inside packet has like this, so you can literally put plate carrier back here. And you can see that there's a packet back here. Put a plate carrier there if you want. I don't have one back there, but yeah, you have that option. This range bag, and I really like this bag. It just has, once again, I'm not using it to the full, so its full potential. So that bag has a lot of potential. You can do so much stuff with it. It's really big, I know, heavy, but if that doesn't bother you, that's really good range bag. Carry all your gear. Some people will disagree with me because he has this soft, it's not hard shell, all that, but he has enough padding to protect your gear from being smashed and everything. Pretty quick, I know I talked about those little compartments that I didn't get the chance to open and show you what's inside. So this compartment, this little carriers, this is where you put your handgun. Pretty nice material and soft, so it's not gonna scratch your lens or anything like that. You put your magazine here and then close it. Either put your gun here or inside this pocket. Personal preference, but I usually keep mine here and close it. So put it there and close it in. And that's it. Alright, so in a nutshell, it's basically that's my range bag. This is what I take to the range, to the outdoor range to be specific. If I go to an indoor range, I take a smaller bag. But yeah, this is what I take to the outdoor range. My favorite bag. It's I forgot the name of it. I'm just gonna look it up and put it in the description below. But it's, once again, it's from that company, Savior. Make pretty good stuff, and I love the gear. This is pretty durable material, pretty strong material, and I really like it. Been rocking this bag for about a year now, and it hasn't failed me yet. Really like it. Alright, yeah, guys, there you have it. That's my outdoor range bag. We're going to the range tomorrow. Just wanted to show you what I take with me. I have other stuff, my plate carrier and my long range rifle, the Tikka T3X with me, but I didn't show you guys that, but that's what I'm also gonna take with me, but this is just the bag. So I hope you guys like it, give you some ideas for your own range bag, and if you like what you saw, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, ring the doorbell so you can see more videos like that. And until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.